What if you could step into the mind of a 19th century master artist and be able to experience his world today? Today I want to share with you a painting I created inspired by one of America's most renowned famous artists, Winslow Homer. Winslow Homer was a self-taught painter. That's one of the reasons why I really look up to him, is he didn't have tons of formal education, and I treat myself similar in that position. But what he did do is capture the rugged beauty of life, not only on the coast, but also the quiet resilience of people in nature. His watercolors shimmered with light. His oils told stories of both calm and storm. He wasn't interested in the polished perfection. Oftentimes, if you look at his pictures, you would say that they were partly done, not all the way complete. But he painted the grit and the wind and the raw power that you can find in nature. When I first saw Homer's work, I was struck by his sense of his atmosphere, the way he made emotion come to life in his paintings. Oftentimes his seascape make you feel like you're on the coastal beaches with him as he's doing it, that salty, feel, salt in the air. So I wanted to capture in this picture kind of a similar mood. But through kind of my own lens. For this piece, what I did is I had a solitary person out in an action shot, similar to where Homer would also have solitary individuals in the process of some form of action. And I wanted to kind of lead the observer to watch and have a sense of wonder of what is currently happening. To leave the unquestioned answer of, did the fisherman, the angler, catch the fish? Did it get away? Where are they at? What's happening? What's the emotional behind it? So I wanted to infuse that kind of sense in this picture, which I found similar to what Homer would do in his work of arts. So what I did in the process is I started with a sketch of what I wanted to accomplish overall. I didn't want a detailed sketch because I don't feel that Homer would go into great details. He just wanted to capture the overall. Oftentimes he painted plein air, which is out in nature. This one was more captured by different photographs and things in memory. In many ways, I wanted to imagine this is my father out in a canoe, peaceful, out on the lake, wanting to fish and get away from the worries of the office or his business. After doing that quick sketch, I wanted to do big blends of just overall color and overall shapes. Not too great a detail, only in the actual closeness of my subject matter, but everything else I wanted it to just be more fluid overall. Patches that are out there, that way you're drawn in to specifically focusing on that subject matter overall. Boom! Here's the final result. My conversation with the 19th century Winslow Homer and my take of his emotion and an example of a similar watercolor for today. If you enjoyed this, hey, feel free, hit that like button, share it with your other art lovers that are out there. If you hadn't had an opportunity yet, please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. And why don't you let me know in the comment section, what's your favorite Winslow Homer painting? Hey, thanks again for watching. Watch for more content coming out and enjoy painting.